I'm the Tuzemi, human rights activist, probably known as VDM, very dark man. Effort they yield benefit for Edo State over victim when we say get accident through Dangote trailer. Now this very young girl, she dey come back from school when she dey get accident when Dangote trailer hit their bus. Now they promise to assist the young girl. Since then they abandon the girl, and the girl need over 5 million to process her surgery and other medical bills, but they abandon the girl since. This will happen after Fina's sister get accident. Now VDM don vex, e don shook head for the matter because e na from Edo State. Since the Edo State government led by Senator Mondokpewolo don forget wetin e suppose do, rather than to claim say e na sheriff of Edo State, the new sheriff in town, and to dey campaign for Bola Ahmed Tinubu for 2027 when 2027 never reach, when Bola Ahmed himself never even dey campaign for him own self. Okpewolo leave wetin e suppose do na campaign e don dey do for Tinubu, say 2027 e go clear everything give Tinubu. Meanwhile, citizen of Edo State, when Dangote trailer dey hit on a steady, dey for hospital dey cry for help. Now with the help of VDM, Edo State government don go pay the 5 million wey the girl need for that surgery. Meanwhile, VDM himself, the Aushi road, e don put speed breaker, e don block everywhere, barricade the road. You can't drive anyhow there now, except if your head not correct. And if you drive anyhow with the help of speed breaker, you go collect wetin no good. You get the point? We need Nigeria to work. Since the government no wan do wetin dey right, the citizen go help them do wetin dey right. Observe.
It's a trailer. She was going back to school for her project.
What trailer?
The Dangote trailer. They called me on phone.
Dangote trailer?
Yes. They said Dangote trailer hit their bus. Immediately he hit the bus. The bus is on.
And we are going to clear the bill that they have now. You're happy about it? Don't cry. No, don't cry. Don't cry.
Don't cry.
Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. It's okay. So you don't stress yourself. It's okay now. Don't cry. It's okay. Then in addition, we liaise with the management so we can have that operation done the best possible option. We have make plans so that we can have that operation done. The governor asked me to express his concern, you should be rest assured that we are with you. Thank you, management. Thank you, VDM. Thank you, everyone who has been supporting.